Alright. Welcome back to the channel. Escape with Kevin. Today we're having lunch at a Korean restaurant. It's a first time experiencing it in China. So the good thing about it here is that they do all the cooking. Yes, all the cooking. It was kind of weird because it was like we had a guest at a table joining us for dinner, like bap toy, how we do it in Hong Kong, where you get a stranger eating with you at lunchtime. But it was very good. The girl that was doing our cooking, doing her thing, she kept changing the mesh quite often, so in between every different meat. And then towards the end, they put the Korean grill on top and began grilling the meats. So I think every particular meat uses a particular mesh, and in between they changed it so the restaurant doesn't get too smoky. So it was very unique experience, and all the meat came out fully cooked, moist, juicy, just perfection. Here she's just laying down the piece of sliced beef and she's gonna cook it. Kaylee's not feeling too well today, so have no appetite to eat. Oh, we're about to finish up with lunch and head out.
There's a motorcycle coming behind me.
For a walk in this wonderful park. It was right outside the mall. There's a motorcycle there. They do that a lot in China, where there isn't supposed to be a bike. Surprise, a bike. Giving you input on what to expect when you head into China. Obviously, if it's your first time, it's gonna be quite difficult. But people do try and help. So just be open-minded and stay calm, and they will help. They will either give you an English menu, or you can just play the pointing game with them, this one, that one, and then bring out your Alipay and slap that. As we walked by, there was a few restaurants there just now. There was a Mexican restaurant, coffee shop, sandwich shop, bakery.
Wow.
McDonald's, can't wait to try McDonald's. We're going to go Miniso right now, so you can have a glimpse of what to expect when you hit Miniso or hit up Miniso in China. Plenty of stuff. You're gonna see me buy a funny glasses. Kids gonna pick up a few of their funny stuff as well. So please enjoy the video. There's Kira's running. Everyone's running. Even I ran in.
Wait, I'm trying something. Give me a second. Okay, now try it on. Try it on.
Music? 快来试试吧！扫一扫手自添加小礼物。下一道
Yeah, it's my Bluetooth.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I can't load any music. The last music was Kira's song. Nah, let's try. $100. Yeah. No, yeah, those are just sunglasses.
Do you find like this?
No. I've been staring. I find this very big. Try. No, the mirror here.
Mommy, her music.
Kaylee, try. Should I buy one?
This rabbit.
You want? Okay.
Mommy.
Only you want, so I get, okay?
No one likes to buy it because the teams come up from. Is this wrong? Is this so strong?
I don't know. Mint?
I can use this at work. It's blue light protection.
But this one, this is peach and mint.
Kira, here, oh.
Help me find that.
That's one.
Don't get the green.
There's no other choice. They all come with the Earl Grey. No, they never had. It's not bad. See? Always together. What's in that? Butter?
Japanese egg salad.
Oh, I think Kaylee will like that. I bet it's yummy.
Does she have mayonnaise? Is the question. She have mayonnaise?
Oh, this one. This one. Last one. Last one. I think it's just literally whipped cream.
This is yours at first.
Yours. Yours.
You want to go to bigger sunglasses.
Yeah?
Lime, coconut milk. Coconut lime milk. Coconut milk with lime.
Daddy.
Lime, coconut milk.
Oh yeah, here. Lime, cheese. You wanna try?
Daddy.
2?
Mommy.
Tulo. Oh, this. Do you think this is the same thing?
This tiger cake. Tiger skin cake. Oh, you can try. Oh, yeah.
Kaylee, want a sandwich? How about this, B? You want? You get one?
You guys like that, right?
Yeah.
This was nothing special.
That's just French toast. Croissant? $18?
Plain or the one with stuff now?
Which is the one with stuff? This one's sausage. They got bagels. They have QQ bread. QQ mix. And then, oh, this one, oh? Mini pizza.
Something.
Yeah? This one looks good.
Haley, you want a bagel? Or is this too hard for you?
Too hard for her.
I want a donut.
It's not a donut.
I want this. It's an
Maybe
ice
garlic
cream.
bread?
You put the things in the ice at the same time.
This side you saw the crib cake. You don't want, right?
That's one.
The crib cake.